Welcome to the Puget System Support Channel. I'm Ben, and today we're going to be going over how to replace a hard drive in an R5 case. Before you begin any project on your PC, be sure to ground yourself and unplug all power going into your system. Let's start with removing both side panels of your case. Next, you're going to locate your drive, and specifically the wiring that's plugged back into it. You're going to go ahead and remove the power cable and your data transfer cable. These drives are held in with a small screw at the side. Next, we'll remove the tray here. With the drive removed, unscrew the 4 screws that are holding the drive into the tray. As you can see, the rubber grommets were securing the hard disk drive. In our example here, we're going to be installing the Samsung SSD onto the smaller holes on the inside of the tray. For installing SSDs, you'll be utilizing the smaller screws, which you can find in your accessories bag that came with your system. So you'll line up the holes from the SSD with the holes on the tray, making sure that the interfaces on the drive is pointing towards the back of the tray. Now that we have our SSD screwed into our drive tray, we're going to reinsert it back into our case. Next, we're going to rescrew the screw that holds in the tray to the case. Now you'll go back and plug in the cables that you previously detached from your hard drive. You got that drive installed. Now we're going to pop on the side panels, initialize the drive, and you're good to go. If you're having any issues along the way, feel free to contact our Puget System Support Department for further assistance. See you next time.